Today's video is about coronavirus. Coronavirus are a large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from the common colds to more severe disease such as the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome. A novel coronavirus is a new strain that has not been previously identified in humans. Coronaviruses are zoonotic, meaning they are transmitted between animals and people. Detailed investigations found that SARS coronavirus was transmitted from the civet cats to humans and MERS coronavirus from dromedary camels to humans. Several known coronaviruses are circulated in animals that have not yet infected humans. Common signs of infections include respiratory symptoms, fever, cough, shortness of breath, and breathing difficulties. In more severe cases, infection can cause pneumonia, severe acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failure, and even death. Standard recommendations to prevent infection spread include regulate hand wash, covering mouth and nose when cough and sneezing, truly cooking meat and eggs, avoid close contact with anyone showing symptoms of respiratory illness such as cough and sneezing. Later recommendations or standard recommendations which prevents us from this infection.